update on VPOR, currently at 0025. That's what we're looking at right now. The last time that we've looked at this stock is going to be on April 10th. The last time we looked at it together, rather, going to be on April 7th. And I said over here at 0020, I said selling will need to continue to slow. Resistance at 2225 and 33. Support at 0017 must hold. And it looks like you guys did not get below that support. All right, which is obviously going to be a good move here, good signal as well. So you guys are going to have that close at 0020 and then open at 21. So there is going to be a small gap. And I don't know if what's going on here with this. I mean, you guys had 128 million shares traded yesterday and opened at 0021, hitting the high of 29 and closing at 29. But today, you opened at 2.8 and hit a high at 3.0 and just pulled back off of that. So I don't know if selling came back in or whatever the case might be, but just unfortunately couldn't hold that. So that support level now is going to be at that 2.3, and I'll put all that information in here as well. 2.3, followed up by the 21, and then that would be a little bit lower there at 18. I would call it 17, honestly. That would be about 17. See if we get some around here, around the 20. Yeah, that 21 is going to be that 20-day and 10-day simple moving average. You're going to still have that resistance now at, for sure, at 30. So we'll see what Joe has to add.
All right, so I pulled up their, they had their quarterly report. Well, that's actually, you know what? From April 18th, so I'm pulling that up right now, actually. Just going to go right down to their, so for the 3 months, ended on March 31st, 2017. So net revenues were $65,615. And then for the year ended December 31st, 2016, it was $607,756. And that's as opposed to in 2015, they had $6,714,314 for the year ended December 31st, 2015. So there's a big change there, but I'm not sure. I think from going over this, I'm guessing they like changed direction a little bit, I guess. All right, so they had cost of revenues for the 3 months as of March 31st, 2017 was $106,678. So they had a gross profit of a loss actually of $41,063. And then the loss from continuing operations was $550,227, and that's for the 3 months. Let's see. All right, so the net loss was $499,017 for the 3 months, March 31st, as of March 31st, 2017. And yeah. I'm just kind of scrolling down. This thing's kind of long and they got a lot of information in there. It's always a good thing, but it really requires reading, which I know sometimes people don't have time for. So March 31st, 2017, changes and amendments to the Florida State Department of State Division of Corporation. So on October 24th, 2016, the company filed an amendment of its articles of incorporation whereby it increased the authorized shares of common stock from 8 billion to 15 billion and changed its name to New Gen Concepts. That's on October 20th. So I don't see the change though on here for the change, like the change the name. All right, so going concern as reflected in the company's consolidated financial statements, the company had a net loss of $370,782 as of March 31st, 2017. In addition, the company had a working capital deficit of $3,011,489 as of March 31st, 2017. And it says these matters raise substantial doubt about the company's ability to continue as a going concern. All right, so that's that. And tangible assets. I mean, there's just a lot of bread and butter in here. So inventory as of March 31st was $579,112. So they have a lot of inventory. Always a good thing. So that means they can sell things. All right. So if you want to continue to do your due diligence, just go right over to the VPOR board, From there, you'll see these filings that I was looking at from the April 18th, 2017. And also you could pull up their recent news, the time and sales, the filings, the financials, the buy rating, the company profile. If you have an opinion, feel free to share with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that VPOR Group Incorporated board over here on Investor Channel.
All right, there you have it. 0025, gap at 002 and 21, support at 2321, resistance at 25 and 3. Like I've said in the past, just my personal opinion, the selling needs to slow here. You guys haven't broke through that 17, which is going to be a good sign for that support. You guys ended up bouncing off of that. So hopefully this thing turns around. You guys are still in the bullish territory, like I've said. So keep that in mind as well. VPOR, if you follow this one, get out there and share this video. We'd appreciate it. Share it on different social networks, stock message boards, and stock forums. The more you share it, the more we will cover it. So keep that in mind. If you'd like to participate in our next live show, you can do so at investorshangout.com/live.